Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send large videos on Gmail. Well, it's very easy to do it and I will quickly show you how to do it. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail here. And once I open my Gmail, just click on compose. You have to just enter the email address to whom you want to send, subject and everything. Once you are into the compose, you will get this click on this attach icon, which is called attach file. Otherwise, you have a different option, insert from drive. So if you have uploaded any longer videos or any document over your G drive, you can just attach the link. So I will just click on attach file, which I have on my phone. So I will just go here and I will select any of my video here. For example, let's say that I just want to do it. So if you can see that video size is under 18 MB, right? So if the video size is under 25 MB, usually the videos get attached to your Gmail address, right? So you don't need any external factor to upload your videos to somewhere. But if the video is longer than 25 MB, then what will Google do? Google Gmail will automatically upload that video to your Google Drive, right? And once get uploaded to your Google Drive, it will show exactly like how you can see it here. It will show the attachment here, and basically you can just send it to anybody to whom you want to like. So the only difference is that if the video size is under 25 MB, it just get attached in a few seconds. If the video size is longer than 25 MB, then it get uploaded to your Google Drive, and from there the link get automatically pasted and it will show you in this format. So this is the only way to send large file on Gmail, and it's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful.